Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the GAOMON M1220 pen tablet. Here's the brief introduction of the GAOMON tablet. First thing, we have a screen protector with a really cool design actually, and some kind of mouse pad. And behold the tablet itself. Quick start guide. And the hand glove. The pen case, which I am now fully in love with. There's also another one for your pen nibs and the pen nib clip. Type C cable. And two adapters for C cables and Samsung. And the case, I think, bag. So here's the final setup. There are 8 express keys with a multi-bar and a home key touch ring.